Welcome to Body Healthy Elements. Don't have time to go to the gym? Can't go out to the gym because of the pandemic? Want to do a home workout, but not sure which exercises to perform? If so, today's video is best for you. We want to share the best 5 exercises for home workout. Considering the current situation, exercising at home is a good choice for many people. Fitness is free. Lots of exercises can be easily done at home, as you can use your body weight or simple pieces of kit like kettlebells or dumbbells. Don't worry, you are probably familiar with most. It's easy to start and you will do well. Best 5 exercises for home workout. 1. Body weight squats. Regardless of age, gender or fitness goals, weight squats are an exercise that must be part of your daily workout routine. This exercise will improve your walking style and tone the muscles of your lower body and abdomen. You don't need fitness equipment at all. Other benefits include toning your hips, enhancing circulation, improving flexibility, boosting weight loss, strengthening your lower back, and toning your entire body. So whether you want to lose weight, walk faster, or maintain mobility, this exercise is good for you. 2. Push-ups. Push-ups are an eternal classic exercise. It targets multiple muscle groups and therefore has many health benefits with few serious risks. Push-ups can develop your muscles, improve metabolism, burn fat faster, and promote cardiovascular health, thereby improving health. Without any equipment, you can do a full body workout with push-ups. 3. Walking lunges. Walking lunges are great and can strengthen your lower muscles. They also help stretch your hamstrings and hips. It is important to exercise the muscles of the inner and outer thighs. This is because it can improve the stability of the hip joint, improve athletic performance, and increase the overall mass of the thigh. This exercise can also improve your balance and strengthen your core muscles. Also, walking lunges give your spine a chance to rest and recover, which is not possible with most forms of exercise. 4. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks is another full body exercise that you can easily do at home. These can be learned easily and quickly. In fact, you might find it interesting to do so. The jumping jacks can not only accelerate your heart rate but also make your body out of the normal plane of motion, not just running on a treadmill. 5. Planks. Planking is one of the most effective exercises. In addition to enhancing your core capabilities, it also provides many other benefits. First of all, it can exercise your shoulder muscles while it can also exercise your hip muscles at the same time. Moreover, it reduces the risk of back and spine injuries and strengthens the back muscles. Therefore, doing planks regularly can greatly reduce back pain. Although this is a sedentary exercise, it is still great at burning calories. In fact, it burns more calories compared to other abdominal exercises like sit-ups or crunches. Do you have your own at-home workout routine? Do you want to share? Tell us in the comments below. You can also watch the other video on our channel, 5 benefits if you do a plank for 60 seconds every day, to learn more about the benefits of doing planks. If you like our video, please like it and share it with your friends so that we can continue to make it. If you want to know more about our channel, Body Healthy Elements, remember to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified every time we upload a new video. Also, please be sure to watch our other videos at the same time. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.